Okay. Video found a clean out in front of the house. Homeowner stated that back restroom, master bathroom was getting clogged. Pull up, Josh. Once you come in, you can see that there's water still holding at the very bottom. No one's flushed anything. You're just holding water at the bottom. Going in, we have water holding, and then right after we go into under the perimeter beam of the house, we end up underwater as we go. Here eventually we'll end up out of the water. As you can see all the buildup on the side of the wall, you can tell where the water just goes, comes up, goes back down, just depositing stuff on the walls. Go further in, we can see a root right here. This root is just in front of the hall bath, just before the turn, before we start running, say north towards the garage of the house. Come, hit a corner, now like a 45, still underwater, still underwater. Now we're should be right in the living room, right under the living room. And again, come out of the water. Water should never be holding in here. This pipe should always be empty with a proper fall. And right here, stop right there. Come on back a little bit, sir. Slowly go forward. Slowly go forward. And right there is a big root mass. Homeowner stated also that another plumber was out here and got his cable stuck. Didn't want to try going through the vent and actually get my camera stuck. So this big root mass is what we found from just in front of the kitchen sink. You're looking at 20 feet. You end up pretty much in the middle of the living room, just past the wall between the living room and the kitchen. With access hole, you're looking about 25 feet. Did inform homeowners that bushes and shrubbery around flower bed might be damaged in the process of making this repair. But that's all we have right there.